All right, so here we have a water heater in the attic leaked from the freeze. And we have staining on the ceilings here into the laundry room, ceiling damage on the wall, baseboards, swelling and cracking all around. Into the bathroom, also in this ceiling, baseboards in the closet. This ceiling up here is wet as well. We do have some hollow tiles. We're in another video from water separating the glue, mortar, glue the floor. We have floor separating in a couple of places. Baseboard in the hallway here. Runs down this wall. It's right behind the door. There. The other side of this is the study. Water stops about here at this corner, comes all the way to this corner. And the study here. Separating baseboard the whole way down. All right, dry out is done. We were able to dry in place, drill holes. Everything was real clean behind all the baseboards. Seal plates were excessively wet, so we dried in place. We were also able to save the wood floors. All these wood floors that were wet, we were able to dry them out with the dehumidifiers and air movers, and no cupping or bowing.